Can you see that? There's no spin speed. And there's no 40,000 RPM. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, the problem is that we already, but I'm watching is, not the problem is that this thing has gone into spin speed and then just gone off. Or these are fine, but the temperatures are not even working. So it's not even, it's odd. Now is it? Well, but there is no temperature flashing. Well, okay, now that the matter is that this temperature, it's not flashing. It's not going back when it should be. Rubbish. Why? The matter is it's false. Thank you for watching.